Hey guys, welcome back my channel with a new video. See, there is many colorful of toys. All are brand new. See, wow, this is very nice color combination also. So friends, now I will hand drive all of this toy with my hand. So let's go. At first is a lovely bike. So let's go. I will try this one. Wow friends, I will park here this lovely bike. See this bike color? This full body color is pink and this wheels color are black. And next one is a V2 racing car. So I will try this one. Wow. I will park here beside lovely bike. See this V2 racing car? This color is red color, white color, yellow color and this wheel color is red and yellow color combination also. Wow. And next one is a high branded Lexus car. See this model? This is nice color combination and model. So I will try this one. Wow. I will park here beside V2 racing car. See this car color? These glasses are black and this full body color is red and this wheel color is black and white color combination also. And next one is a army jeep. See, this is a army jeep, so I will try this one also. Wow! I will park here beside Lexus car. See the jeep? The jeep color is black, yellow, green, gray and white color combination also. Wow. And next one is a green company bus. So let's go. Wow. So friends, I will park here this green company bus. See this bus color, this full body color is yellow and this there is many sticker. See there is Spider-Man sticker and this wheel color is black and white color combination also. And next one is a big size flying horse. See, so I will try this one. Wow, I parked here beside this bus. See this color? This is yellow color, black color and red color combination also. And next one and last one is a police helicopter. See this is very big size police helicopter. So I will try this one also. Wow. I will park here beside flying horse. See friends, all of my vehicles are parked here. And this This helicopter color, this is silver color, white color, blue color and black color combination. Wow. So friends, see, I will hand drive all of this toy. I am hand drive all of this toy in here. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.